welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a installation review on the GetInLight LED under cabinet light fixtures. This video is sponsored by GetInLight. They did provide both of the LED lights that we will be using in today's video. So in my kitchen, I don't have a lot of light. I believe it's called a galley kitchen. So it's not a ton of light in here, especially at night. And I wanted to just kind of brighten up my kitchen. Now with these lights, you can install them hardwire, or they do come with a cord where you can plug them into an outlet. So personally, I elected to just plug both of these lights into an outlet. Reason being is because I do plan on renovating my kitchen down the line, and at that point I'll actually have an electrician come out and hardwire these lights in. But for now, they're just plugged in and they look great. They're super bright. They're very low cost to run throughout the year because they are LED and they're very lightweight. So I'm a girly girl and I was able to install them. So literally it's 2 screws to install both of them, and I have a 9-inch light under this cabinet and also a 32-inch light under my other cabinet, and I was able to do it all by myself with my nails as a girly girl. So if I can do it, anyone out there watching can do it. And this light is so super bright. Like, this is the light on, off. This is how dark this corner is without any light. And mind you, I have a video light on right now, so without that video light on, like, this whole little corner is super dark. This is where I make my K-cups and things in the morning, so I like to have a little bit more light here, and it's also next to my stove. So it's just great to have, you know, more light in your kitchen so you can see what you're doing. So all in all, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and jump into this installation. When you open the box, you have your instructions for both hardwire and plug-in installation. You have the light itself, which is very sleek and lightweight. I chose white. They do have other colors as well. You also get the screws to screw it in, hardware, and the cord. Since this light will be exposed on that side, I'm going to remove that sticker. So once you've decided where you want to place it at, I'm going to just pre-drill some holes depending on the thickness of your cabinet and the type of wood. You may or may not need to do this. Then I'm just going to go ahead and screw it in. You can use a screwdriver or you can use an electric screwdriver. Doesn't really matter. Both get the job done. And look how simple that is. You just plug it in and you're good to go. And as you guys can see, there's different adjustments and color temperatures that you can choose. There's 3 different color temperatures. All look amazing. And there's a lower light and a higher light setting. So I think it looks great. And even with the cord, you can zip tie it up so that it's not all over the place. And it looks great. This is how the 2 switches look, the on and off and the temperature adjustment switch. Also, you do have the input outlet, which is what you're going to use if you're plugging it into the wall. You'll use output if you are like hardwiring it. You simply can just plug it in to there and you're all ready to go. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Drill the holes, screw it in, and then plug it into the wall, and voila, we're done. And it looks amazing. Both of these lights look great. Alright, so as you guys saw, they were super easy to install and they give off a lot of light. These lights are super bright. They're adjustable. I just love the way that they came out. They come in different colors. They come in white, bronze, and stainless steel, and they come in a variety of different sizes and colors. So definitely measure your cabinets and go ahead and head over to Amazon. The link is going to be down below in the description box. Click the link. Order these lights. You won't be disappointed. Thank you guys for watching my video as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.